Hi, today we're unboxing the brains of a serious CCTV system, the TP-Link VIGI 16-channel PoE NVR. If you need reliability and high capacity, you need to see these specs. Let's jump in. The big draw here? It's a 16-channel unit with built-in PoE. That means you don't need separate power for your cameras. It saves you time, it saves you money on wiring, and it's cleaner. Let's get it unpacked. Inside, we get the installation guide for a quick start and the essential 24-hour warning sticker. This isn't just advertising. Installing this signage is an absolute must for legal compliance on any security system in Australia. Let's talk storage flexibility. We include the SATA data and power cables, plus the screws you need. The NVR features dual SATA interfaces supporting huge hard drives for maximum recording time. And for the professional fit-out, the mounting brackets. Everything you need for a tidy, permanent setup is right here. A standard USB mouse for immediate access and the solid power adapter. Pulling out the main unit, the TP-Link VIGI NVR. Look at the back, 16 dedicated PoE ports. It's a powerhouse. Just plug your security camera cable into any of these ports and you're sorted. Power and signal instantly. HDMI/VGA for your monitor. It doesn't get simpler than this. If you need a reliable, easy-to-install, 16-camera-capable PoE NVR, this TP-Link VIGI is excellent value. Ready to simplify your security camera install. For genuine NVRs and CCTV cameras, visit S Market, your trusted Australia CCTV supplier offering authentic products, a 3-year warranty, and expert local support. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the full install video. See you next time.